When I first joined ABBS, I was nervous. New city, MBA pressure, and I kept thinking, will I be able to manage this? It felt overwhelming.
Same here. I thought it was going to be very formal. But from day one, the vibe was completely different. The faculty actually knew our names, our interests, our goals. It doesn't feel like typical business school.
And the mentorships here, that's what made the biggest difference to me. It wasn't just about a classroom teaching. We had one-on-one guidance, people who genuinely cared about how we are actually doing, both academically and personally.
Exactly. I remember before my internship interviews, I was panicking. I didn't even know how to structure my answers properly. But one of my mentors sat with me, mock interviewed me, corrected me. And that gave me so much confidence.
Even outside academics, whenever I had doubts about which specialization to pick or whether I should go for a corporate job or a startup, I could just walk up to someone and talk. That comfort you won't find in every college.
And I personally feel that is what makes ABBS special. You are not lost in crowd, you are actually seen. You feel supported, guided, and prepared for whatever comes next.
So if you're someone looking for a college that helps you all along, we would definitely ask you to join us here.